All right, welcome to 5th Gen Fishing, y'all. This is what, number three? Number three. So I tell you, we're pretty excited this morning. It's been the water's been really low here. We're in Cape Coral today, and we just had a bunch of rain all week long, and the water's up. Expectations are high right now. Water looks good. It's overcast. Probably going to be a topwater bite, maybe spinnerbait.
I'm hoping topwater, but we'll take a spinnerbait if that's what we do.
And I bet I know what bait you're going to throw.
Whopper flopper.
Yeah, we both got the whopper flopper tied on. I don't know. I feel good about today. I don't know what it is. I got chill bumps. I think we're gonna eat some fish up today.
I think it's gonna be a good day.
I tell you what, first keeper fish wins what? A hat.
A hat. Yeah.
Right. If y'all notice, been a long time coming. They're here. 5th Gen gear hats are here. Stop, stare, and look.
We got two colors. We got the white back. Well, we're both wearing the white back, but we have pretty much the same thing, but a black back instead of the white.
Really excited about them.
They came out great.
So we'll get those up on the website for you to take a look at and get if you want to. Stay tuned. I think it's going to be a good day, son.
Let's get after it.
All right, we're going to go jerk some jaws. All right, y'all, we just started off right now. We got back up in here throwing the whopper floppers. We first started fishing these canals. This was a really cool spot for us. We used to catch a lot of fish right up in here. So I'm going to get to quit talking and get to fishing. Bubba, get him in there.
Hit it way out.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, if I get you, get him in the boat. Oh, don't flip. Did you try to flip him?
No.
What happened? No. Damn. Dude, that was a big one.
He was barely good.
He was. Are you getting it out by the boat?
Yeah, it was probably 10 feet off.
Dude, what was that, 4?
Yeah, he was a 4 pound.
Remember though, those rocks are out here.
Yeah,
Out here in the middle. Remember these
you know
rocks
what?
that are out here?
I bet that's what.
He's probably sitting on those.
Yeah.
How'd you pick? What he just?
Just picked it up. He must have been on the drop zone. I didn't feel him hit it.
Oh, you didn't feel it?
No, I just saw the line swing. And I couldn't tell if it was the way the boat was moving or if the line was actually moving or what. No, he was there. That was a good one.
Well, did we not talk about that this morning?
Yeah.
Damn. Can't believe that.
Well, now it's going to be hard for me to put this thing down the rest of the day.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. Go. Shaky head.
Shaky head. Not quite as big as the one I lost this morning, but
No, he got a couple years to get there.
yeah, he's got a tough time. Still not a bad looking fish though.
No.
Oh my. That's a big old thing.
Here, what? Come right up. Look at that. Shaky head. I literally just threw my jig in there. As I watch you catch, I'll throw my jig back out. shaky head 3.
There we go, 3. He's a little bigger than the last one.
So what you see us doing right now is not something neither one of us like to do, okay? You notice Wyatt's throwing a shaky head, slowed everything down a little bit with 3 fish. All 3 of them came on a shaky head. Now the first one this morning, Wyatt lost on a really nice jig with soft plastic, so we've kind of slowed everything down a little bit, and he's throwing the 8 ounce shaky head. And I believe it looks like, is that a Zoom?
Yeah, Zoom.
Yep, just a Zoom Senko.
Smaller, the
4 inch.
Yeah, the 4 inch.
So they seem to be liking that, so just kind of wanted to show you the way we're fishing right now. This is tough because we like to fish fast and move and cover a lot of water, but right now we're kind of getting after it and slowing down and getting it. So we'll see if we can get some more.
The water's in there, so Ready? Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, he was way out here too.
Was he?
Yeah.
Right after I say it, up in the bushes.
Right. There you go, shaky head. 4 on a shaky head. Fish? Another shaky head fish. Uh-oh.
Not very big, but we'll take it. Woo! Coming in hot. Oh. Goodness. That was he went fry. That's one of them there flying fish.
Yeah, it is. Off them rocks. Shake it off.
In the other one.
Alright folks, just got done having a little bite to eat there. It's been a rough morning. Wyatt hooked a good one first thing. We've caught a bunch of, nice fish. I don't know, probably what, 5 or 6 fish so far?
Probably, yeah, 5 or 6. Oh, pound and a half, nothing crazy. Other than the 4.5 that I lost this morning.
Yeah, that was a good fish. Kind of took everybody by surprise. So we've slowed it down. We've come back to almost the back part of where this channel ends, and we've had a lot of success with some good solid fish back here. So we're going to stick with a shaky head, just keep it slow and see if we can't get on some fish here. So we're going to get after it. Let's do it. Jerk bait action right there. Thanks for coming to the show. See if we get some acrobatics. There we'll be.
There we go.
Nice. On the rattler? Baby.
About time we got one of those. Goodness gracious.
Dude, I thought they done fish done left and went on vacation.
No, I thought they were gone. First one in a while. It's been pretty slow here, but hopefully it'll pick up.
On the nickel.
Man, this one's
Dude, something just whacked at it there. I see it. What'd you say now? He what? He whacked it or not?
Oh yeah, he smacked it. About jerked the rod out of my hand. I wasn't ready for it. He's a dinky little guy. Looks a little mangy.
He does look a little mangy.
Bye-bye. And I can, pause it.
Look at that, man. Way to go, son.
Finally, I'm just on the last little stretch on the way back to the ramp here. Got us a big one. About
Very
time.
nice. There you go. Did you want a picture?
I can just
Oh.
stop it off of that.
There he went.
And he's off.
Don't move, son. Get a close up. 5th gen gear, that's what it's all about.
Gear.
Woo-wee! Alright, folks, well, hey, yet another day. I think this is what, show number 3 now?
3.
Show number 3. And get a close up. 5th gen gear is here. Here. We started out pretty good today. It was kind of tough. Wyatt lost a really nice one, probably 4+ pounder, like right off the get-go.
Right off the bat on the jig.
Yep. He was throwing it on the jig, and we started throwing shaky heads. We caught probably maybe 6, 8.
6 or 8, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy. Till the end, we started throwing around some spinner baits for a little bit, and ended up with a, 2-8?
2
2 8,
8.
so 2.5 pounder.
Yeah. It looked like it was 5.
It looked like it looked bigger than it was.
I think we need to get the scales calibrated.
Yeah. Make sure they're dialed in.
Yeah, got to make sure they're dialed in. So it was, and today was tough fishing. We got a bunch of water came into the canals. They were really low. It was just overcast, a lot of hard rains all week long. But overall, I think we found the pattern at the end of the day. So I think probably, if the water stays high next weekend when we go, I probably think that we'll probably really focus on the lily pads. What do you think?
Yeah, lily pads. That's where they seem to be today. So,
And
with all the water coming in, the fish are going to be doing different stuff, so you got to figure it out again. So,
got to tell you, it's really amazing. Wyatt caught one off the rocks. The fish are amazing how they adapt to where they're at. So, the last fish that Wyatt caught, and you'll see beautiful green, just all kinds of nice colors. And then the fish that he caught on the rocks, just kind of a light, pale looking fish. So it's amazing how they adapt to their surroundings. But another good day. Always a good time to spend time on the water with your family. I don't know, Wyatt. I think we'll hit it again next week. Make sure you check out the website. If you're not sure what that website is, it is 5thgengear.com, and the 5th Gen Gear hats right here will be online. You can get those. So we appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. Oh, Wyatt, want to wish my daddy happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Wish you were here. I'll give you a call here, but we had to get this TV show in, so I'm going to give you a call now. We love you. Everybody else, look forward to seeing you next week.